Press button 9 and button 5 while releasing the safety stop button. Hold the buttons for 3 seconds until the status indicator glows yellow. It shall change from green to yellow, showing that the transmitter is in setup mode. Then select optional shutdown time by pressing button for the selected mode. Button 3 equals 2 minutes. Button 4 equals 5 minutes. Button 5 equals 15 minutes. And button 6 equals no shutdown. Button LED glowing green indicates which button has been selected. Restart the transmitter.